Welcome to my chemistry channel. I'm Mr. KW, a teacher of chemistry. My learners, today we are going to discuss about acid, bases and salts. And in the previous lessons, we have already looked at the action of water on salts. And today, being lesson 3, we are going to look at action of water on a salt, which is a salt of a strong acid and a strong base. A salt of a strong acid and a strong base. Welcome, my student. And I'll ask you to make observations to the end so that at the end of this lesson you have understood. Is it okay? My student, with me I have distilled water. I have apparatus here, boiling tubes, test tubes. Then I also have litmus papers, blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. And also I have a salt called sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is a salt of a strong acid and a strong base. So I'm going to dissolve this salt in water as we make the observation. Is it okay? So step number 1, I'm taking my clean metallic spatula, then I scoop the solid. The solid is a white solid, sodium chloride. Is it okay, my students? Then I take a clean boiling tube, I transfer the solid into the tube like this. Then the second procedure, I add distilled water and shake thoroughly to dissolve. So that's distilled water. Then as I add, the solid dissolves. You will find that the solid dissolves. Hey, my student, concentrate here. Don't concentrate from outside, please. It is important you make this observation, my students. So the solid dissolves to form a colorless solution. And as the solid dissolves, no effervescence are observed. But the solid dissolves to form a colorless solution, meaning this solid is polar. Is it okay? It's polar. Then the next procedure, I now take my red and blue litmus paper. This is my red and blue litmus paper. Then I dip them into this solution at the same time. Is it okay? Then I have to shake and we make the observations, my students. Let us see. My student, what are you observing? So you observe that the red litmus paper remains red. Are you seeing that? Then the blue one remains blue. Are you seeing? The red one remains red. The blue one remains blue. Is it okay? So my student, how can you explain this? It means this solution is neutral. It's a neutral solution. It has no effect on red and blue litmus paper. So it means sodium chloride salt is a salt of a strong acid and a strong base, because when it dissolves in water, it hydrolyzes to form a neutral solution. Is it okay, my student? Thank you. You can subscribe into my channel KW, Mr. KW, for more lessons. Thank you.